It's Cake.
And Whimsy. And today, we're gonna start a bathroom reno, right? Dangerous
and finish
stuff.
it miraculously.
I don't know how that's gonna happen, but...
we may have been working on it for a few days already.
You broke the fourth wall, Jess? It was there, and like Hulk, you just blasted through it. There's rubble everywhere. Fourth wall rubble.
Barney, get out of here. So, bathroom. By starting it, we mean it's already done, and we want to show you pictures of how it came out. We'll give you a tour.
Yeah.
Oh, or not.
No.
Okay.
I wasn't. I was taking a breath because I was going to say something.
Go ahead.
That's my cue that I think I might want to interject with something.
Go ahead.
No, I forget. This is not the kind of bathroom reno that takes 6 months and, you know, where you pull out all of the plumbing and you take out a wall and none of that kind of stuff. We're basically changing colors, changing a couple fixtures, and doing cosmetic things that make it look better.
Sillier. Let's give you a tour of what it looked like before.
But let's see what it looks like beforehand. We have some very nice tile work here, which we are not going to be changing. We're not going to touch that at all, because we're not tile people. These walls are kind of a lemon yellow. Hopefully that'll come through. Which is nice and bright, but not really what we want for this particular room. We kind of inherited it this way. This is a little closer to what the walls will end up being. But let's pretend that isn't part of the thing. So we're going to probably get rid of this completely. But I'm not sure what's replacing it, so it might stay for a little bit. This thing is going to go and be replaced by some wrought iron stuff. We have a shower here. It's a guest shower. I think it's been used once. People generally just don't like showering in it, or just decide they don't need to shower. It kind of looks like something you'd find in a camp cabin or something. But I don't really have the heart to get rid of it. Property value and all that kind of stuff. But I think we're gonna do something special with it. And then, hey Dan! We're definitely gonna get rid of that mirror. And we're gonna change that sink around to a really cool, or the faucet around to a really cool dragon faucet that I kinda like. And then we're gonna paint the walls. So the idea is to get it more of like a water dragon grotto. Okay, so we are at phase 1 of the operation. Everything that isn't staying is gone. Minus a few light covers that I haven't quite gotten to yet. And only a few nasty surprises about how things were attached that they shouldn't have been attached. Next up, we're gonna caulk some of these holes and get to painting. Scary, right? No.
Now, let's give you a tour of what it looks like now that we're done.
Ooh.
Well, our bathroom redo is finished. Maybe we change the sign at some point?
To something a little more Halloween-y?
Less festive-y?
Yeah, probably.
Join us as I slam the door into the fresh paint.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Would you like to say anything as we go through? Give them the tour, Dan?
Well, this took about 1 year for us to finally get started on. About 2 days to plan, 1 year to start, and about 3 days to do, I think. It took about 6 hours to paint the walls because I'm a horrible painter.
Oh, we both are, but you did the painting in this case.
It took, everything else came together pretty quickly except for our wire rack behind the toilet, which decided it wanted to be a monster.
You wanna make the dragon vomit?
Vomit, dragon. Vomit. Yay! We got a dragon faucet!
We do.
And a stone tower shower.
Say hi, Dan.
Hi, everybody.
There you go.
Whoa!
And yeah, the shower has become a tower. It's the shower tower.
Decorations provided by Jess, and complete idea for the entire bathroom provided by Jess. Slight manpower provided by Dan.
I did hang the stonework though.
You did. Stone by stone.
I have to say, that area, real pain. Because of the sink. Not nearly as much of a pain as Dan trying to put that faucet in though. But he did it, and I am super impressed.
Do you think our guests will appreciate that we redid their bathroom before we redid our bathroom?
I doubt it, but it would be nice if they did. Cool, right? What?
Did we come back yet?
We did.
You forgot to hit play on me. I was frozen in my... Ooh.
So now I have the evil queen lair of my dreams.
With your own little dragon.
And magic mirror and tower to trap princesses in.
It's very,
We
very
can actually
true.
trap people in that tower too.
You can actually.
Yeah, I hadn't thought about that.
I hadn't either. You know, we had trouble getting people to use our shower before. I think it's going to be way more troublesome now.
To be fair, that's one of 3 showers in the house, so it's not like there's a lack of options.
It's very true. The one of them off limits, that's ours.
So this was our fun bathroom makeover. It was super cheap. What did we say it ended up costing? Around $200?
We said it cost $150 actually.
Oh, so not bad for a completely different bathroom than when we started.
You be the judge, but I think it is completely transformed.
It's certainly more fun than it was.
It is, and a completely different feel to it. Before it was generic guest bathroom. This is, ooh, what the heck is this? It's a conversation piece. We made a $150 conversation piece.
That everyone who comes to our house sees, because that's the downstairs guest bathroom. It's the one everyone uses.
Now what you didn't see is that we used to have a color changing spigot on that that would kind of make it look like a rave, and that was how we knew when people washed their hands and didn't wash their hands at our house, because if they squealed, we knew they had washed their hands.
It didn't work with the dragon faucet, so no prismatic spray coming out of that dragon.
That was going to be a plan, but I don't think it's adaptable, so.
No.
Just a regular dragon, just a water dragon.
So
Let's frost the cake.